Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Margarita cheese pizza. First, ensure you have fresh basil, quality mozzarella, and ripe tomatoes. Next, prepare your pizza dough, letting it proof until it doubles in size. Finally, preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone inside for optimal results. Now let's focus on the toppings. For the sauce, blend ripe tomatoes with a pinch of salt and a drizzle of olive oil. No need for cooking. Slice your fresh mozzarella into quarter-inch thick rounds. A little grated Parmesan adds a wonderful salty kick, so don't skip it. These simple steps elevate your pizza.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these pizza making tips, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Speaking of enjoying things, after you've savored your pizza, why not relax with a good book? The new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere, even by the pool. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your dough ready, gently stretch it to your desired thickness, about 12 inches in diameter. Transfer it to a pizza peel dusted with cornmeal. Spoon your fresh tomato sauce over the dough, leaving about a 1-inch crust border. Then, artfully place your mozzarella slices and fresh basil leaves across the sauce. It's time to bake. Carefully slide your assembled pizza onto the hot pizza stone in the oven. Bake for about 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once out, immediately garnish with more fresh basil and a final drizzle of extra virgin olive oil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.